I just placed a JellyJelly short right here and the target is 2376. I will not waste a second of your time. This is my JellyJelly price prediction video and I'm doing these videos daily. Right now I have 3 shorts left, Jelly and then Po. We took profit on Pump and a bunch of other trades as you can see here on BCH, Bonk and so on. So now the question is, what is going on? Why am I so bullish? First of all, some weak short just got liquidated, 4.4 mil right here, and I sold $27 million worth of longs being closed, and that is basically 2 hours ago or so. So I'm looking for a nice retracement to this downside. I probably want to have an alert here to make sure I know where we're standing based on VWAP. I just took profit Anna and Po 1 second ago. Let me just alert the chat. Anna and Po profit, which I'm very happy about. Let me just, so Po's trying to get closed on its own. Here it is. We gotta follow up with the price. Sorry, just want to make sure this is ready. Perfect. So Signals chat got the alerts. Now we just have one short. We just took profit on a massive amount of trades. We only have JellyJelly, and I'm gonna open up a few others within the next few hours. The next 1 hour actually. So we're up to 162 grand right now on BloFin, 30 grand on this new wallet. If you want to follow my trades, use the link in the description down below. Also, there's a link to my course, which I've priced like I wanted to make it super cheap. And right now you can claim a $30 bonus from BloFin and 50% off your spot fees. I think that's very much worth it because right now I'm making a switch from Maxi to BloFin. They're just a better exchange. If you want to make the switch with me, I'm doing it for security reasons. There's also a no KYC exchange and they're just better. Check it out. See you next video. This video is no financial advice.